of incandescent gas, a gigantic nuclear furnace, where hydrogen is built into helium at a temperature of millions of degrees. Yo-ho, it's hot. The sun is not a place where we could live, but here on Earth there'd be no life without the light it gives. We need its light, we need its heat, we need its energy. Without the
And hello there. As you saw by that today we were talking about planets. You might be asking yourself, why is the camera tilted today? Well, that is because the Earth is tilted. Yes, the Earth, the planet we live on, is tilted. It's like this. This is like, let's say the Earth is this little piece of paper, you know, Earth, and well, instead of it being flat, it's tilted like this on an invisible line we know as the axis. And it rotates on this said axis. And, well, its rotation causes the days. And every rotation is 24 hours. You know, that's one day. So, one day is one rotation, if you think about that. And revolution, well, that's a year, right? It takes 1 year to revolve around the sun. Let's say, like, let's take this piece of paper. Ball this piece of paper up. Let's say that this piece of paper right here that I previously balled up is the sun. And this is, if I can keep it, the Earth. And it's rotating around the sun. It's rotating, it's revolving around the sun. But this is also all at an angle. And it's more elliptical. An elliptical orbit, which is what we have, is more like, not like a circle, but like an oval. Like a really elongated oval. And that's how the Earth moves. That's how it gets around. You know, some people believe that there are 9 planets. Well, that is false. I'm here to tell you that there are only 8 planets. Sorry, Pluto is not a planet. Pluto is a dwarf planet now. And that's, you know, sad. Whatever, who cares about Pluto? It's just a ball of methane, right? Solid methane. But, as I mentioned earlier, the sun, the center of the universe. The center of the universe, blah, if I could speak right today. Well, that's the center of the universe. People used to believe that, the Earth was the center of the universe. That was the early Greeks. Everything revolved around the Earth. That is false. Nicholas Copernicus proved that false when he stated that the sun is the center of the universe. And that is what we still believe today. That is known as the heliocentric theory. The sun is the center of the universe. The sun provides all the light and energy for all the planets, all 8 of them. You know, you have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. No matter how you say it, Uranus is still funny. Okay? And in between Mars and Jupiter, there is an asteroid belt. You know, that's where all the meteors and meteorites come from. And, you know, that's that. The solar system is the solar system. It is revolving around the solar object known as the sun. The sun is a mass of incandescent gas, right? It turns hydrogen into helium at millions of degrees. And it's only a medium-sized star at that, so just goes to show you that there is everything. The United States, right, sent out a space program through NASA known as the Apollo program. Apollo 11 was the first manned spacecraft to land on the moon. The first natural satellite was Sputnik. That was sent up by the Russians, right? It was a ball with like this, with 4 little antennas coming out of it in different directions, and that was the first satellite. It's still up there in space today, orbiting. Yeah. I mean, it's solar system. It's a very complex system. That's the solar system in brief. So, like this says, why does the sun shine? Well, that's because it's a star. It's a medium-sized star where hydrogen is turned into helium. and it performs fusion. Whatever, scrap it. Bye.